66 million years ago, Earth looked familiar. Forests stretched across continents, rivers carved through warm plains. The climate was stable, life was abundant. And for more than 160 million years, this planet belonged to dinosaurs. They were not relics, they were not failing, they were successful beyond measure. Nothing suggested their reign was about to end. Dinosaurs lived in a world of balance. Giant herbivores shaped landscapes as they moved. Predators kept populations stable. Flowering plants spread across the continents, carried by insects and wind. The ecosystem was complex, resilient, ancient. This was not a dying world. It was a thriving. Far beyond Earth's atmosphere, in the silence of space, a massive asteroid was already on its path. Roughly 10 kilometers wide, moving faster than a rifle bullet, it had no intention, no warning. Gravity alone guided it. Earth was directly in its way. The asteroid struck near present-day Mexico. The energy released exceeded every volcanic eruption and earthquake combined. Rock vaporized instantly. The crust rebounded like water. The shockwave traveled faster than sound. Forests flattened across continents. Animals were thrown into the air. Oceans rose into colossal tsunamis that swept inland, reshaping coastlines. Above the surface, debris blasted into space, only to fall back again, heating the atmosphere until forests ignited worldwide. This was not a single disaster, it was many, unfolding at once. Within hours, the sky darkened. Ash, soot, and sulfur blocked sunlight across the globe. Photosynthesis stopped. Temperatures dropped. The world entered a prolonged darkness, lasting months. Dinosaurs did not vanish overnight. They weakened, they starved. They disappeared one species at a time. Eggs froze. Food chains collapsed. By the end, nearly 75% of all life on Earth was. But extinction was not total. Small mammals survived underground. Some birds endured. They required little food. They adapted quickly. In a world emptied of giants, opportunity emerged. Over millions of years, forests returned, but they were different. So was life. Mammals diversified. Intelligence increased. Hands evolved. Tools followed. Every bird alive today is a dinosaur's descendant. Every human breath exists because of that impact. Had the asteroid missed by minutes, history would not include us. The dinosaurs did not simply disappear.